Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix this. Now, there's loads of crap on this on YouTube, no offense to the videos, but they tell you to download other software, click on stupid stuff and just do stuff which either takes a long time, is bad for your computer, or is just completely unnecessary. So I'm going to teach you how to fix this in the quickest and easiest and safest way. Let's go! Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to download a fresh installation file of the Stream Deck software. So to do that, you want to go to elgato.com/en/downloads, or you can just Google Elgato software or whatever and it should come up. You want to click the select your product option and scroll down to Stream Deck. Now you should see 4 different options here. I don't think it actually matters which one you pick, but I would just recommend picking the one that aligns with your software anyway. And this is a Windows tutorial, so we're going to leave that as Windows, and then you just click the download button. And as you can see across the bottom anyway, it says compatible with Stream Deck, Stream Deck MK.2. Stream Deck MK.2? What do you mean, Elgato? You don't make cars. Stream Deck Mini and Stream Deck XL, so that was what I was saying before, that it doesn't really matter. And then wait for your download to finish, and once it finishes, we'll move on to the next bit. Okay, so once your download is finished, you should end up with this streamdeck.msi file. So when we double click this and try and run it as normal, this is where you see the error, right? So this is the Elgato Stream Deck setup wizard ended prematurely. So to fix this, you don't need any additional software or any other thing like that, which might give you a virus that the other videos tell you. All you want to do is right click it and click troubleshoot compatibility. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click this test the program button. It will pop up saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You just click yes. And then the Elgato wizard will pop up as normal, and you can click next and you can scroll through. I've already got it installed, so this is why you see the repair or remove, but for you should be able to just continue normally, and then it will be installed. It's just a reminder, if the videos helped you out in any way, please drop a like, as it really helps us. And if you really want, drop a comment, as that also really helps us. And if you really want, drop a subscribe, and I'll just like it a lot. Also, I stream every weekday on Twitch. If you want to check me out, my link will be down here somewhere. Come check me out, say hello, whatever. Thank you very much. Once it's installed, you'll be able to open it up as normal. As you can see here, I'm on the latest version of the software, 5.1.2. Sometimes when you open the software, it will come up and say there's an update available. Do you want to install it? When you click yes, you will face this same error again. It's something to do with the compatibility of the MSI file on Windows 10. So all you need to do is repeat the process again. So go back on the Elgato website, download the latest version of the software, right click, troubleshoot compatibility, test the program, and then install the latest version, and it will simply just update this and keep all of your settings and configuration the same, so you don't need to worry. And it's as simple as that. Simple as that, baby. And that is the end of the video. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching the whole way through. I make loads of content around how to fix your streams, improve your streams, improve making content, anything to do with content creation. You can check us out here at Content Cloud. So if you subscribe, there'll be loads of good videos coming up, and I'll put a recommendation of one here that you can watch. Recommend watching this one. When I upload it, it'll be a good one, I promise. If not, have a lovely rest of your day. Peace.